What's going on, guys? This is going to be a trade recap of this absolutely beautiful setup that we took today on this 30-second long. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So first of all, coming into the day, let's just delete all this. Coming into the day, I was leaning bullish. Now, some people might be confused on that because we did have this new week opening gap right here. Now, I was leaning bullish even though we had this. I also mentioned this in my daily bias on my free Discord. You guys can check that out. Link in the bio or link in the description, whatever. But even though we had this new week opening gap here, I was still bullish. And the reason for this was, well, first of all, we just were trading away from this new week opening gap. We were clearly trading away from it. We had relative equal highs at all-time highs. But even more was price came super close to 30,000 on NQ here. So if we put a line here at 30,000, that's not 30,000. There we go. So if we put a line here at 30,000, let me go to replay mode real quick. So if we put a line here at 30,000, we can see that price came very close to this number. Now you guys might be wondering, oh, why does that matter? There's no liquidity. There's no like reason for price to go here. Basically, very large round numbers like 25,000, 30,000, 35,000, 40,000, 50,000, whatever, are a very strong area of price. So I expected price, since we came so close to this, I expected price to run this 30,000 mark today. And then that's exactly what happened. But that's why I was bullish today. We were also respecting this 1 hour gap here. Oops. And then we inversed this 1 hour gap right here, making this an inversion for value gap. So we were just respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. We had all-time highs, equal highs, all-time highs, 30,000 above. We did have the new week opening gap down here. I do expect this new week opening gap to get hit eventually. I just did not expect it to happen today. And if we come down to open, let's play this out, get this to open. Okay, there's open. So as we can see here, right off open, price dumped down. We fill in a 15-minute gap here. I'm going to delete this. We fill in this 15-minute gap here. Then ES actually comes all the way down and takes out, oh my god, that's annoying. Anyway, ES comes all the way down and takes out all of these lows. So this gave us a very large SMT here. If we come back to NQ, we can see that NQ did not take out any of these lows. So we had an SMT here. We had an SMT. We tapped back into this hourly gap. We also filled in a 30-minute gap along with this 15-minute. If we play this out on the 5-minute, see we get this beautiful candle right here. Now we do get this 5-minute inversion, which was the highest time frame inversion in this manipulation leg. But why did I not take this? Simply just because we hit this high right here, which would have been my break-even point. So we got the close while hitting my break-even point at the same time. Invalid trade. Did not take this. When seeing this, I'm like, okay, well, we're clearly bullish now. Just like I thought, we tapped off of these hourly gap. We actually respected this 15-minute gap, respected the 30-minute gap, respected this SMT, got a strong inversion. Like, okay, we're clearly bullish. Now I have to wait for my continuation. We get a 5-minute gap formed right here. 5-minute for value gap. I'll put a 5-minute here real quick. Oops. Did this 5-minute for value gap right here. Now if we come down to the 1-minute, play price out. We don't tap into it there. We get our beautiful leg actually. This is like bread and butter right here. This is what you want to see. This is like ideal. We don't just get a dump down into it and then an inversion out of it. We get a move down, a move back up, a new move down, creating this new manipulation leg. And now if we come down to the 30-second time frame, which is where I took my entry, we get the inversion right there. Super clean V-shaped recovery inversion. Entry, stop, whatever. Targeting 30,000. I went break even at this point right here. And if we play this out, We go break even there, and then price just flushes straight to 30,000 for a 1. I actually got a 1 to 1.2 or something on this. But yeah, basically that was the trade up today. Honestly, there was really no other entries that you could have taken, unless you were like not trading the highest time frame inversion. Like sure you could have taken like this 2 minute here or like this 3 minute, but that wasn't the highest time frame in the legs. That's why I did not take those. And I got perfect setup, perfect continuation, absolutely beautiful entry with leaving these highs here, leaving 30,000, coming down, making a new manipulation leg, 30-second, clean inverse, clear break even point, clear targets, clear, easy trade. If you guys took this, great job. I called this trade out literally in my, I called this trade out in my Discord for free. If I come over here, I'll show you guys. Here it is right here. Literally called this out. So yeah, I mean, not much else to it. I literally called this out in my Discord. Right here, as you guys can see. This was my coming in today. I'm like, okay. I was looking. We made this 5 minute gap. That was my condition. We inversed it. Now I was looking for a 5 minute continuation. 30-second long right now. Just entered long. Posted in there. Targeting 30,000. Full TP smashed. So yeah, this was literally I posted this for free. So if you guys want to join that Discord, link will be in the description. But yeah, W day.